In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zapier with Xero for automation. Now, this integration is a fantastic way to automate your accounting tasks and save a significant amount of time, which is always a bonus, right? So let's jump right into it. First things first, you're going to need to log into your Xero account, open up your web browser, and head over to the Xero website. Once you're there, you'll see the familiar login page. Just enter your email address and your password, and then go ahead and click the login button. It's as simple as that. Now that you're logged in, you should find yourself on the main Xero dashboard. Take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Do you see that grid icon? It might look small, but that's the key to accessing the app marketplace. So go ahead and click on that grid icon. Once you've opened the app marketplace, glance over at the right sidebar. There's a section titled Apps. This area is like a treasure trove where you can explore various apps, and you can also find the link to the App Store. It's a convenient spot for all your app needs. Now, moving on, let's search for Zapier within this app store. When you're on the Xero App Store page, you'll notice a search bar. Click into it and type Zapier, and then just hit enter. Easy enough, right? Once the search results are in, you should see the official Zapier app. It'll pop up right there in front of you. Click on the Zapier app to learn more about it and how you can start integrating it with Xero. Now, on the Zapier app page, you'll see some details about the app, such as its features and the option for a free trial. If it all looks good, you'll spot a button saying, "Get this app." Click on that, and you're one step closer to automation heaven. After you click, you'll be redirected to the Zapier website. Here you'll find a button that says, "Connect Xero to 8,000 plus apps." This is where the magic starts to happen. Click on it, and Zapier will guide you through the integration process. Now, in your Zapier workflow setup, you will see Xero as either a trigger or an action. This means you can start building your automations with Xero playing a crucial role in the process. It's a great way to streamline workflows and ensure everything runs smoothly. And there you have it. Your Xero account is now connected to Zapier, opening a world of possibilities for creating powerful automations in your accounting tasks. I hope you found this guide helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time!